Kitchen. Today I am Disney bounding Figment and we are making the sweet Zulu sauce from the Bengal BBQ. So hop on in, join the party, and let's get started. So we're going to be starting out today with some teriyaki sauce. Make sure you get teriyaki sauce and not the teriyaki marinades. It's going to come out very different if you get the wrong one. To that, we're going to be adding in some soy sauce. Now, if you're going to use this to marinate your meat ahead of time, you're going to want to make sure to use low sodium soy sauce, as that's going to cause the meat to really absorb that salt. If you're not, it's purely a personal preference of how salty you like your sauce to be. Adding in a fairly large amount of brown sugar. After all, the Zulu sauce is a sweet sauce. Then to that, we are adding in a very small amount of red wine vinegar, some sherry wine. We're also adding in some ginger, some garlic, a bay leaf, and a couple grounds of black pepper. Now, if you're making a marinade, don't put in the cornstarch quite yet. You're going to want to make sure to bring it to a full boil as soon as you remove the meat. That way, anything that might be a little unsavory that's in there gets cooked off. You don't want to add in the cornstarch quite yet, so that way you have some control over how thick your sauce gets. Now, once the sauce is all heated up, don't put the cornstarch in there right away. If you do that, then it'll go and gelatinize around the outside. You'll end up with little bits of cornstarch, which isn't good. So go ahead and mix the cornstarch with a small bit of water. Don't worry about adding the water back in because some of it is already boiled out from the previous boil. So once it's mixed in with the water, go ahead and add it into your heated liquid and let it thicken up on the stove. For me, I'm going to be using this just as a sauce, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my cornstarch right now. If you had a good time today, please be sure to throw up a like, maybe to consider subscribing, and don't eat yellow snow.